Today, we're talking about two little words that can cause big confusion: about and on. Let's break it down with some simple examples for you. So, first, let's look at about. We use about when we're talking about something in general, everyday way. For example, we had a chat about holidays, or she read a book about space. It's casual and works for most of kinds of conversation or writing. Now, on feels a bit more serious. It's often used for specialized topics like in a class or for experts. For example, he gave a presentation on climate change. I found a detailed guide on cooking techniques. So, on is like saying we're diving deeper into this subject. So, remember, if you're chatting about something casually, use about. But if it's a more focused or professional topic, go with on. Try it out yourself. So, what's a topic you'd have a casual chat about? And what's something you'd study or read a book on? Share your examples in the comments below and let's keep learning together.